I see you have mirrors. Did you ever consider using the friggin' things? Maybe a blinker. She's playing with her hair. La 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 la. Pretty sure, yeah. No left turn! Dumbass. Thank you, lady. Really appreciate it. Use the turn lane, you shithead! Jesus Christ. Shithead. You're a nitwit. Exit dive. Red light runner. Stop sign. Camera right. Is that a cutoff? Direct to the left lane because Subaru. Hey! Hi! Someone's coming for you, you dickhead. Yep. Blinker. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-huh. Stop! Stop! Cut off! Toyota, straight from the turn lane. Stop! You're not gonna go out the wrong way, are you, dude? Yes, you are. Stop. Slow down. Hey! Jesus.
With ongoing work between 111 and Jackson Road in the hard stretch in a slow full section there. 93 north.
Okay, lady. Okay, yeah, you. I don't even know what the fuck to say about that.
All good to go in the green. Been shopping lately? It's not your imagination. If it feels like food and household items you buy are smaller but cost the same, yeah.
Do you know where you're going, lady?
WPZ News Radio has brought you the biggest political stories
know where the hell you're going, lady? And what the hell are you doing?
Over at the Yellow Window Company, they're doing a free window.
Howdy ho, cut off the Volvo, why don't you? Shake ahead of me, mofo. You're way too close, alright? Yep. Yeah! That's double lane exit regret. Uh-huh. Yep. Thank you. Stop! Should I sit here and wait for her to run the next one? Yeah, she did. I think you ran the red. Oh, because howdy ho. What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? You couldn't just like turn around in the parking lot.
Welcome. It is Mark Goodman and
Jesus Christ!
Of our DJ Big 40 Countdown this time around. It's based on the Billboard Hot 100 chart for June 4th.
Had my blinker on. I don't think that's safe, mister. Cross that line. What are you doing? 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 Hey, 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 hey. Jesus. Stop signs working, moron. Florida. Exit dive left. I thought it was cut off, yeah. It was a bit of a wide berth they gave him.
Born to be wild.
What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? What the hell are you? You're X-diving. You were already over there, you motherfucker. Is that cut off? Because Toyota.